Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Rhys, Barber. I'm the other audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Welcome to Christmas Eve, the day 24th of December. So we're one day away from the end of Waxvent now.
I hope you all join me as well in saying happy birthday to Rhys.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, 76.
You're looking good for 76.
I know, just where am I?
6 degrees.
And the wrinkles, and the receded hairline, yeah, it's all there. So this is my patient, this one. So we're just going to get, we got this, I think this was the standard size Audiology, but I think I might have switched down to the fine end. I'm not too sure on this one now, I was looking at it. But we're just taking this loose, soft type of wax away. But it's a bit of a weird one, this one. We hit this soft wax, and I thought, oh, it's all going to be soft. And then suddenly I hit this really solid piece of wax. It is absolutely rock hard. It is like a pebble, and that's what I've got a grip on the side of there. It kind of caught you a bit by surprise. When you hear that scraping noise when you hit it with the suction tube, we kind of got that. So it was going great guns, and then we hit this. So,
and it's normally like the point where the wax oil doesn't really do much with that kind of wax.
It can't penetrate in, can it?
No. Just need something stronger for that.
There. Yeah. You do need a bit more of a more heavy duty sort of molecular peroxide or bicarb base drop then to get out. But luckily it hasn't formed as one big plug by the looks of it. There are lots of smaller, harder pieces to it, which means it is going to be a little bit easier to get out than if it was one solid plug. There we are, you can see I'm just...
Whole thing is moving.
Yeah, just pulling it down from the top. So we have got a little bit of a gap there. There we go.
Oh, I can see all those gaps appearing as well then. Oh,
that's the one. So that was the sort of chunkier, harder section. But look at this bit at the back here.
Oh yeah.
I was like, oh no, I don't. Could we? So look at that and think, is this going to be as hard as the rest of it? I hope not. And yeah, it is. It's absolutely solid. So I'm just going to try and remove any looser bits, create a bit of a gap around it just so we can maneuver this out then.
Yeah. Can't believe it's Christmas tomorrow.
I know. I think this one's kind of flown by. I think we've been so busy with everything. This has been, I think, the toughest couple of months we've ever done because we've had so much building work going on, trying to work around that, and obviously with Waxvent and episode 900. We had lots going on here this month.
And completely jam-packed clinics as well.
We are absolutely chock-a-block at the moment, which is always lovely, but it'll be a bit easier when all the clinics finish. We're nearly finished with the building work. There's one last little bit. Our reception's all finished now, but there's one last little bit just to do in one more clinic room, create another clinic room, and that's then we're done. That's you a new clinic room, isn't it?
Mine.
You're sparkling in the clinic room. Yeah, sparkly. There you go. We're spoiling Taylor and giving him a new clinic room.
I know it's going to be about the same size as you was then.
I think he was going to be bigger.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, I think so. I reckon so. Yeah. Well, what, big plug. That last bit just came away nicely there. Squeaky clean. Lovely. Look at that. There we go. That's what came out. I'll do inch and 1/8.
Oh, 3 centimeters ish.
Yeah.
Just under.
Chunky plugs on that one. Yeah, real ones.
That's about 3
so I
centimeters.
think it's yours, this one now. Yeah.
I can't remember, but I'll talk about it anyway.
Go on then.
No, yeah, it's just a very, what looks like a soft and squishy kind of build-up of a mixture of skin and wax in this one. Nothing too crazy, nothing too different, but trying to get a really good grip here, because you can see the whole thing is actually moving slightly, just a little bit.
Almost like a ribbon that was coming away then, wasn't it?
Yeah. It's been such a... I don't think I've had any good ribbons this year.
No, I've struggled this year. We normally get one or two, but I haven't had a single one this year.
So we've both had some pretty lengthy ones in the past, haven't we?
Yeah. Have you had like a favourite wax removal this year? Have you got one that sticks in your mind?
Not that sticks in my mind, actually.
No.
The ones that always tend to stick in your mind are like the foreign bodies, because they're sort of few and far in between, really.
We thought we were going to get a bug this year as well, didn't we? A lady phoned up and said she had a bug in her ear, and we were so excited because we really wanted to take this out. And they went to the hospital, and I removed in the hospital, gutted. That's it. We really, really wanted to see that one. We were saying, yeah, come in. 1 week space in the clinic for that.
Yeah.
But tomorrow's one's a bit of an odd foreign body, isn't it? It's a bit like, and we still don't know how they got it in their ear.
Well, I've never seen one.
No.
I don't think you have either.
No, I haven't. No, I've seen. No, I haven't. I won't spoil it. I've seen other things, but similar. But I've never seen that in there. It's coming away nicely
now. We've got that. We've bunched that kind of skin together. It's coming out nicely. I didn't show the shot of it coming out. I'm pretty bad at doing these, and I'm pretty bad at doing these. I do apologise.
That's all right. I do try and slow them down so you can see what comes away. I think we both are, in fairness. I think we both have we don't hold. Ooh, unusual bit of scarring there.
Yeah, patients had a bit of a history of infections and perforations, and I mean, this is like about years ago. Patient hasn't had any issues with it recently. Yeah. So that patch of white that you could see on the eardrum is what we call tympanosclerosis, and that's just essentially scar tissue or a change of pigmentation to the skin. So we got a better grip on this one. So this is all seems to be coming out in one piece.
It does.
Trying to keep it all together. There you go. When you're holding the camera and you're trying to focus on the wax and you're focusing where the tube is, it's quite hard to maneuver everything. Like, that's quite a big piece.
That's
actually,
a long piece. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, you can see we got a bit of tympanosclerosis on this side as well.
Wow, that is a lot. That's like 2.5 inches. My goodness me.
We did have a really interesting case the other day.
6.5 centimeters.
Oh, 6.5 centimeters. It's not a video. I mean, it's one that we actually had to refer to ENT. Remember, it's the patient that you saw first, and then they came back to see myself. So they saw you a month ago. Essentially, we referred the patient. There was a perforation. We referred the patient. Oh
yes, sorry, but I was missing the. I follow you. Yes, I know what you're talking about now.
We referred the patient because I think you thought it was like a mass, like a bony growth that was, or a cholesteatoma or something that was growing behind the perforation. Patient came back to see me a month later, and it had moved, and it was a grommet. A grommet. Yeah, it was a grommet, but it was in the mid-ear space, and it was just too risky for us to take it out here.
But we'd asked the patient if they ever had any operations on their ears, and they couldn't remember ever having any operations on their ears, and nothing at all. But the grommet had actually gone through and into the middle ear space, but we could only see the leading edge of it, and we didn't really want to pull it down just in case it was hooked around one of the ossicles in there. Yeah. So we kind of left it alone. We've referred them through to ENT. This one's very similar to yours, actually, with this long kind of skin rat sort of plugs and things in here.
Oh yeah, left a bit of a mess.
Yeah, they did that one. Look, it's all that very thin skin, but luckily it's all. This is the fine end on here just to reduce any risk of clarinetting, but it's this very thin.
Oh, nice
layer. There you go.
A bit of a clean up.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Eardrum looks lovely and healthy. Well, there we are, guys. Don't forget if you. Oh, hang on. Let me see that's 1 inch.
Just over 2.5 centimeters. I would say 2 3/4.
That's the word. Guys, don't forget, if you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share. It's a big lorry just went past the window. Like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for us. If you do have wax problems yourself or any hearing problems, indeed, you can check out the website. Check out the link tree in the description. I'll take you to the website. You can book yourself an appointment. Ta-da! Well, guys, have a very lovely Christmas Eve. We hope you're doing something really nice tonight with your families. Have a really good Christmas day. We will see you for Christmas Day tomorrow, obviously. Yes. But yeah, have a nice morning, and we shall see you a bit later on. So, as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And myself, lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye.